Hi, hello there. Welcome to my channel, Maze's Life, where I'm terrible at managing money, but trying to get better. So with today's video, I decided to, for the start of the new year, do my first ever mini Mondays. So I'm not sure if this is going to work, but the purpose or the objective of this is to start budgeting in a way that helps me learn more self-control, as well as stopping to spend all my money in just week one and then running out of money by the end of the month and having to move things around. So what I wanted to do was in 6 different categories. That's my beauty category, my fun, gifts, tithing, food out, and then like my miscellaneous household fund. I wanted to gather up how much money I would think that I would spend in all 6 of these categories for the month, which for January will be $300. And for each week, and there's 5 weeks in January, I will split that up to each of these categories to only spend in that allotment week. I can roll it over from week to week. I don't know yet if I'll roll it over month to month. I'm not exactly sure. Typically, I would put the leftover into my debts, and I may actually still do that. But if you are interested in seeing me play Mini Mondays, please stick around. If you have any advice or suggestions, please leave them down below in the comments. And other than that, let's get started. So I have a dice and I have $60 in ones. They are prop bills. You can see right there, motion picture purposes. And so I'm just gonna roll the dice, and whatever number the dice lands on, I'm gonna give 2 bills. All right, so I've never done this. So this is 6. Oh, it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6. Oh, should I tell you who each of these are from? So here I have this, well, I'll do it later. Let's just get started. 2. Well, this is a lot of money just to be holding. Do a little bit at a time. 6. 1, 2, 6, 3, 4. Make sure everything's in frame. 5. Oh, everything got something, at least a little bit. And like I said, this is $60, and that's because there are 5 weeks in January, and I hopefully will spend no more than $300. $300 for this whole month in these 6 categories. Two, 5, 5. I'm filming this on Sunday so that way I can get this video up early Monday morning, even though I still have not posted Sunday's video. Just got back home from church and Bible study and speaking with a friend. 5. I wonder if it's been pretty even. It's like you could give 1 more. Oh, I'll do 1. All right, down to the last couple of dollars. So for 4, 1, 4, and 2. All right, I'm gonna try and switch these up, or the order, every so often, just in case the dice is unfair, but it seems like it was pretty fair so far. So I'm gonna put this off to the side. I have some buyback 5s, so that's just to help condense. I do have a budget binder here that I got for Thanksgiving from my family, but there's only 5 tabs instead of 6. So here I have extra little minis in the back, and these sections are left blank so far. This is the next one for if we finish any today, which I'm not sure if we will. This is the smallest one here, or the smallest amount. I did them of differing amounts. So this is from Madeline Budgets. It's spelt like this. Oh, you know what? I don't have the light on. I hope you all could see that this whole time. Oh, much better. All right, so this is from Madeline Budgets. Designated each little spot to be $15. This is the little logo on her YouTube. I'll have her linked down below. And she got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and $8. So I'm gonna put this $1 here, grab a 5. And I'm gonna color in 8 circles. Oh, it's all squeaky. All right. All right, so this first fund for $15 is Madeline Budgets. So that means that for the first week of January, I will not spend any money related to any beauty expenses. All right, I'm gonna set this off to the side right here just because. All right, my next category, this one I set aside $40 for fun. This little mini is from Paula's Imperfect Plans. And it's a Happy New Year's. Okay, so each little icon is already designated for $2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's $10. I'll put that over here and grab 2 5s. And then I'll mark off, it looks like an entire row. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. All right, so that's $10 now designated for fun. So I will not spend any money this week in the fun category until I have $40. All right. This one, seems like we got a lot. So this is from Teacher Mom Budgets, and it's gonna be $20. This is a little flower for January, and it's gonna go to the gift fund. I do not know what her real name is or what name she likes to go by. I think she just goes by Teacher Mom Budgets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Put 5 there, grab 5, and I'm gonna mark off 8 little boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, I grabbed that all weird because I'm holding the cap. And my cat's in the background just terrorizing me. All right, $8. So there'll be no money spent in gifts until that little mini is completed. Next, we have a challenge here from Budget with Carly. Carly, this is her 52-week savings challenge. I'm gonna use it for a mini, so instead of rolling a dice every single week of 2026. Instead, I'm just going to fill in each box for $1. So this will be $52 to go to Food Out this month. And this got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop. Thank you. All right, $10. So let me go ahead and just color that in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alrighty. Okay. Now, oh, this one feels thick. This is Budgets with Budgets with Elma. You can see here her minis. Thanks for your support. So I am a subscriber to her, and so I made each box worth $2. So this will total $24, and this will go to my miscellaneous household fund. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. All right, I think it's got the most so far. So 14, so we grab 2 of these 5s. And let me color in 7 boxes, right? So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. All right, we're now more than halfway there. And there'll be no money spent in this category until, at the very least, the second week of January. And now we have my final mini. Oh, I gotta mark this all up. I need to put something down. Luckily, it's not permanent. Yeah, no, it's not permanent. Okay, so now we have this category here, which will go towards my tithing. I got this mini from Cash and Calling. Well, I hope you all have been in focus this whole entire time. With Brittany. And this will go towards my tithing. It's Coffee and Jesus. Don't like coffee, but I do often go to coffee shops with my friends to get hot chocolate. So this mini got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, and then each icon is worth $2. So we can mark off 5 of these. So I'm just gonna put a little heart. 1, 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Alrighty, so that is it. Whoops. That is my first ever Mini Mondays and how I'm gonna start off my January 2026 budget. Thank you if you followed along here to the end of the video. I'd love to have you join this financial debt-free journey with me, so please hit subscribe, click the like, and leave a comment down below if you would like. My next video will be out tomorrow, and if you have any advice for me whatsoever, especially when it comes to these minis and budgeting, then please leave it down below, as I would greatly appreciate it. But other than that, thank you, and until then, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.